Hello Facebook Page Manager. Need to delegate tasks or collaborate with others? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add admins to your Facebook page. Step 1. Access your Facebook, log into your Facebook account. Step 2. Visit the Facebook page you want. Step 3. Navigate to Site Settings. Click Settings in the left sidebar menu. Scroll down and click Page Setup. Specify a new site role. Start typing the name of the person you want to add as an administrator. Choose their name from the suggestions. Step 4. Select Page Access, select View and select. Search for people who need to be approved as administrators. Select Add New and follow Facebook steps. Step 5. Confirm and re-enter your password. A prompt will pop up stating that the new administrator will have the same permissions as you. Click Add, re-enter your password to confirm the change. Step 6. Wait for approval. That person will receive a notification accepting the invitation. Once accepted, their role will appear under existing page roles. Change roles without adding them again, so you can freely change the admin of your group. Hope this information will be useful to you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.